Today, we will be exploring how to create a question under the numeric type in Edugence. Numeric questions allow the students to input numerical values which can be automatically graded based on the correct values you set. First, we must get to the Create Question page. Open the apps in the top right and click Assessments. Once you are in the Assessments page, go to the Question Bank tab on the left-hand sidebar. Then, click New Question. The Create Question page should appear. Like all questions, we must input the parameters in the question for bank, grade, course, etc. Under Type, select Numeric. When you select Numeric Type, the answer blank will appear. This is where you will input your answer. This number can only include plus, minus, decimals, and numerical values. Under question text, we will input our question. After inputting our question of what is 4 to the power of 3, we will input our answer of 64. Then, click Preview to review your question, and if everything is correct, click Save. Remember, the student's answer must be equal to the answer in Edugence. For example, if your question is pi times 2 and you input 6.28 as the answer, don't forget to round your answer to 2 decimal places. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on creating numeric question types in Edugence. Thanks and happy teaching.